Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that why this my Honda gasoline engine cranks but no start, and what is defect. And this thing can happen if we have replaced this gasoline engine in new one, or then when we have take out this our old Honda's gasoline engine. And there is really issue that now this ground cable and ground connection is bad, and that's, let's go to look this idea, because this is really interesting defect in Honda cars. In this my Honda engine there is really amazing defect that there was one bolt loosened what keeps these electric cables in connection, and this bolt have to be in just suitable size. This is like really bad engineering, because if we install wrong bolt, then this our Honda engine it won't start. And now we go to look that what is this critical bolt what makes this engine to start or not. And we have to go in that area in here, and I take little bit away. I have already take out this air filter covers and these things that we can see in that area in here. Okay, and now we are really talking this Honda's electric cable, this big connection joint in here, and there is really one minus connection point, one minus contact point, and this is really amazing thing. And there have to be just suitable bolt, and now I go to take that bolt away, and in my case I installed in here wrong type on this connect bolt, and this is really long bolt what have to be also to be tight. And this is really interesting thing that there is one minus connection point what makes these cables in ignition coils and fuel injectors to work. And now I take that critical bolt away in here, that area, and this takes a little bit time, but I work in here because this is really amazing defect, and this is especially engineering this defect, because if we keep that bolt loosened, then our car it won't start. And now I really take that one bolt away, because this is really this minus connection point with these electric cables. And if this bolt is loosened, then this our engine is not starting. And there we can see this bolt. It is, now I keep that in position that we can see really this defect area. There is this critical bolt, that one. This rusty bolt in here. If this is loosened or if this is wrong type, I installed firstly in the little bit wrong type bolt, and that's this engine would not start, and there had to be just that type of steel bolt, Honda's original bolt. And let's look at what bolt I used. In that area we can see that what was this defect bolt. I really installed in here that Honda's bolt what looks like that one, and there is no right this shape. And then if I install also that kind of bolt in here, then there is no any starting in here, these are defect, and there have to be just that kind of screw what is in this here, that one. This bolt only works, and remember that this is really amazing thing, that if this bolt is loosened, it looks like that, then also this my engine, it won't and it don't start. And this is really bad situation. And now I install that back because there is metal point, there is two areas, note. This is like, there is only plastic, but in here, in that area, there is metal inside. And now when we look that area, there is this my screw is in position, and remember, I have to tighten that really well. This bolt have to be in really deep in there, and only when this is deep, then this ground minus area works. And this is really bad thing. If this is loosened like in that way, no any start, this have to be in tight. And that's I rotate that now about 1 minute. It takes like 40 turns, and let's soon let look soon when I have tightened that enough, that what that means. And now I really rotate that, and you can see that it takes time. It rotates all time. And finally, in end phase, it makes this connection, these electric cables to connection to engine block, and then this car start to run. Okay, now it's tight. Look. Okay. Now it's finally in there, and we can look also at how deep it is in here. We can nicely see that how deep this is. It goes so deep, and it keeps these cables now in connection to this engine block. And there is really, this is Honda's own fantastic engineering. And if this bolt is loosened, that one, no any start. And now I go to start my car, that we can hear that how this engine really starts. And this is important. Okay, and now that repair, now this repair has been fixed. This is my issue, and we can be very happy that now we know this interesting defect possibility in Honda engines.